Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. It's Friday and time for your Love Bite. So Aries, let's see what wants to show through for you today. And of course, you know these are general collective readings, right? Will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, bless this reading for my Aries gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aries, let's get into it. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Welcome in to all the newbies out there. Very glad to have you here. And this is of course just a small little 9-card spread, which we will do, and we will also do some dialogue message cards and see what message wants to show through for you today. 6 of Swords in reverse, Aries. What happened here? Something went wrong, is going or has gone a wrong direction here. Of course, if any of you are looking for a private reading, Aries, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So the first 3 cards I have here are the 8 of Swords, 10 of Wands, and the 2 of Wands. The Lovers, the Sun, and the 7 of Cups. Somebody's made a decision. 8 of Cups, Hierophant, and the Knight of Wands. All right. So Aries, before I begin this reading, Aries, I'm planning to do a birthday special for you guys. I mean, it was supposed to be a surprise, but I need your help in this one. Of course, I'll do a general spread, but apart from that, remember I told you if you guys have any questions that you'd like me to incorporate. Somebody sent me a very sweet question the other day saying, hey, whatever mind games this person has been playing or not playing, did they ever really have genuine love for us? If we know that, it'll just give us validation to move on. So that's a very, very good question. And somebody else sent me 3 questions, which unfortunately I don't remember where I wrote them down. So if you're listening, please resend them. And if there are any others, as long as they're not specific to your situation, like don't ask me a question like I'm going for an interview tomorrow, will I get it? Something which can help the collective Aries gang. Okay, so that'll be really helpful. And I'll try and do it by the 20th. I think that's when your month starts, right? So overview of this. Of course, I'm going to do some dialogue message cards before I clarify, but the overview that I'm seeing here, somebody really, really wants to come out of a stressful position here. They are tired. They're tired of carrying this heavy burden on their shoulders of something, and they know they have to make a decision. They have to make a choice because somebody is not happy here at all. They know that the only option, that out of all their options, they know who's their one, and they want to return. They want their person to return. They want to commit now, but I think their reputation is preceding them at the moment. So let's see what's going on. Aries and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Aries and their person. 1, 2, and 3. Thank you. And I'm going to take 3 more from here, Aries. I have a lot of decision cards on the table today. Somebody doesn't want to be at crossroads anymore. Somebody knows they have to make a choice. Somebody knows that what choice is the correct choice. So let's see what's happening for my Aries gang. Okay, so the first card I have here. Why do you feel it necessary to label me? I'm far more than any label could ever describe, and so is our connection. See, like I said, somebody's reputation is preceding them. I think this person just wants, they know who they want, they know who they love, but they're a bit in and out. They don't want to be labeled. They don't want a commitment to where they can be pinned down. Okay. This relationship seems to be a situationship right now. I feel like you're taking my love for granted. Isn't that the perfect answer to this card? Saying that without a label, then this is just like a situationship. What are we? I feel you're just coming in to take my love and you're taking me for granted. So where does that put the other person? Your coded cryptic messages and failure to answer questions drives me up the wall. If you're worried that the karmic is going to see, just call me and tell me the truth. It's the least I deserve. Right? This is exactly like the question I was mentioning. Somebody asked me, right, to do a reading on as to, do they really even love us? At least we deserve to know what they truly feel. Why have they ghosted us, or why they're not talking to us? Like what is really going on? Forget their troubles. What about their feeling for us? How do they feel about us? I mean, that's the least somebody deserves, right? I'm feeling really insecure at this time. I feel like a little child compared to you. It makes me feel weak at the knees. I feel overwhelmed and powerless to the all-consuming love I have for you. I did a pre-shuffle Aries, and that also I got that somebody is feeling very intimidated by your presence, or with the Aries energy. I think the Aries are glowing too bright nowadays. A lot of people feel they're too good to be true. And somebody feels they're not good enough, and maybe they'll be rejected. I just want to hold you now. It's been too long since you held me close, and I'm aching for you. My mind is in turmoil trying to figure out how I can fix the mess I've made. I'm suffering from sleepless nights and feeling very low and very anxious. We've come too far to give up on us. Let's start over. I'm healing my heart from past hurt. Give me some time. This could be you, Aries. Okay. I'm under so much stress. I saw that. Somebody's under a lot of stress. Okay, so let's clarify these cards, Aries, and see what's happening here. Eight of Swords in reverse, and okay, so somebody stopped worrying about this connection. This could be you, Aries. I think you've stopped now and they've started. Some truth and clarity came out, Aries, and something got revealed, or some secrets came out. The fog kind of cleared from one person's brain here, I think, which was like a tower moment. It was like that, so that's what's going on kind of a feeling. And somebody, I think, just kind of gave up stressing, worrying, overthinking this connection. Let me see who that is. Who's that spirit? Who's got this clarity and who's got this tower moment now? Or is this... Yes, whatever was hidden in the dark has been exposed now. And what's been exposed, Spirit? What's been exposed here? That this was a divine connection. Somebody's got some revelations from Spirit directly. That this was a divinely guided connection, and I don't know. 1 second, one more. This could be you, Aries. This could be you who's kind of given up stressing about this connection anymore, because whatever was hidden in the dark now has come to light. Things have been revealed. It's been a shock to the system, yes, but from that, I think you found your healing, and now you have realized what you want. You want an equal partnership, an equal give and take, and this certainly wasn't. 10 of Wands. 10 of Wands. Yes, this was too much of a burden to carry. I think you're not interested anymore. And you've made your decision now that I'm going to work towards something which is actually going to bring me that 10 of Cups. I'm not interested in somebody who's going to give me breadcrumbs. Yes, I think you got that revelation came that this person was maybe just giving you breadcrumbs when you guys were together. Like this is one guy giving to two little and people putting their hand out and begging. So I think this was a shocking revelation that came to one person to say, hey, what have I been up to? This is never going to grow. This has no chance of growing. And whatever time, effort, energy I've put in has been absolute waste. And now you've decided to work with yourself, on yourself, towards your 10 of Cups here. I'm not going to waste my time anymore. This was too much of a burden for me to carry, because you were carrying all the wands here. There was nobody else sharing the load with you. 2 of Wands, Spirit. 2 of Wands. 2 of Wands. Yes, Aries, you've made your decision. You've made your decision here. You have left everything that was troubling you. You're moving away, sailing away to a happy, calm space in your life, and you're winning. And you're doing it in style, I would say. Okay. People are watching Aries and saying, wow, there Aries goes. Proud and victorious. So, Lovers. What's this Lovers card, Spirit? I think you are looking for new love here, Aries. You're looking for new love. Your heart is now, I think, ready for new love. You want to re-begin, restart. You want to not restart. This is like carving out a brand new life for yourself with love in your life. Because I don't think without love, Aries, right now, you're happy, but you're not that happy. The Sun card in reverse is never an unhappy card. But yes, I think you're looking for something brand new, fresh. Maybe you haven't found it yet, but you are happy in your own life. This is always a happy card, the Sun card. But in reverse, okay, not 50%, not 100%. Maybe that fresh new person hasn't come in yet. So, 7 of Cups in reverse. 7 of Cups in reverse. I think you're looking for somebody who's not going to treat you like an option. You're looking for somebody who's not going to have a third party. You want somebody to choose one and choose one only. And what's this 8 of Cups, Spirit? Yes, you don't want to go back to a place which is going to confuse you again. So that's the reason now you've made up your mind. I'm going to be very sensible this time. This new life that I've been given, I'm going to make sure that whenever I choose my person, I will make sure they choose me and me only. I don't want them to have any third parties, no confusion here. I'm not going to return back to a place where, it stops before it starts. So, 8 of Cups, Spirit, 8 of Cups, 8 of Cups. But somebody wants to return, and here's the player again, Knight of Wands. What's this Knight of Wands, Spirit? Who's this Knight of Wands? Who's this Knight of Wands? Okay, Aries, somebody is returning. They want to return, but they're still coming back in Knight energy. They're coming back with passion. They're coming back with their wand, and they're coming in really quick. They're coming in rushing towards you. Now, let's see what's going to happen. Hierophant, Spirit. Hierophant. 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 What's this Hierophant, Spirit? Hierophant. Somebody wants to come towards you, Aries, but you don't trust them. You don't trust them because of all the secrets that have been revealed about them. You are I don't think you're going to be putting your defenses down, even though they want to. They may request you to allow them back in. This is going to stress you out once again, Aries, because maybe you know that there have been third parties maybe in the past, that this person was or is a player. You're not going to trust this that easily. You're looking for your fresh new beginning here. Knight of Wands again. So what's this Knight of Wands in reverse, Spirit? Knight of Wands in reverse. Knight of Wands in reverse. Knight of Wands in reverse. Hierophant again. Spirit, why does this Hierophant keep coming up? What's this? One more. I think, Aries, you're going to hold your ground. Here comes the Empress to say, I will not accept. Aries, this person may come back. I'm warning you. They are coming back again. They're coming back in the same energy. I'm sorry to say, because come out twice now. Knight of Wands, right? I don't think you'll be very interested to have too much conversation with them. They want to now. They're still coming back at this the Emperor in reverse, trying to control the situation. Maybe come and argue with you as to why you've put an end to this connection. They want this back with you, the Lovers. But I think, Aries, you are going to hold your ground this time. The Empress with the Hierophant. You're not going to settle that easy. My God, this 10-minute reading has become too long. What's the Six of Swords in reverse? What's the Six of Swords in reverse? Yeah, too many bad memories have been created for you, Aries, right now. I don't think you'll be making a decision that quickly now this time. If they do come back, they are going to try everything in the book. Fight, argue, everything. So hold your ground, because you deserve the best and nothing else. Okay? Be in your Empress zone. You do not have to talk too much. Don't communicate too much. Listen. Okay? So let me take one angel blessing card for you and see what my angels have for you. Yes, you can be generous. Spirit is saying, be compassionate, be kind, but also be generous to yourself, because you've just come out of healing, Aries. Don't let anyone disrupt that energy for you right now. Okay? So that's all I have for you. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.